Founded in 1886, this company has grown into a global benchmark in industrial technology. As a German industrial legend, its business covers automotive and smart mobility, industrial manufacturing, consumer goods, and energy solutions. It ranks among the Fortune Global 500 for years, with annual sales close to 100 billion euros. In its automated production system, from precision casting of auto parts to intelligent assembly lines, compressed air is the industrial lifeblood that drives every core process. In automotive manufacturing, it powers welding robots, painting systems, and pneumatic fixtures. Stable airflow ensures millisecond synchronization in engine block machining and gearbox assembly, directly impacting quality and productivity. In industrial technology, clean and dry compressed air is essential for precision instruments. Flow fluctuations may cause calibration errors or automation failures, with compressed air consuming over 15% of total energy. Flow control has become a key lever for low-carbon transformation across 50 global production sites. The company needs high-precision, plant-wide monitoring to support its sustainable industry strategy. After a deep study of its processes, Comate partnered with the company. At one major site, over 200 flow meters were replaced with Comate solutions, replaced with Comate Flowmeter products. On main pipelines and heavy load nodes, TGF 460 thermal mass flow meters were deployed at scale, capturing compressor station efficiency in real time to drive system optimization at space-limited endpoints. TGF 200 compact flow meters were installed, ensuring every tool's air usage is visible and controllable. With superior accuracy and stability, Comate flow meters run reliably in harsh industrial environments, injecting a precise and dependable power gene. Comate empowers this century-old German enterprise on its journey toward intelligent manufacturing.